Mabuhay at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Good day to everyone. My name is FeliAnne Soriano Hipol, President of OCA Asian Pacific Islander American Advocates Utah. I am honored to welcome you all to our first virtual and our annual Asian Pacific Islander Community Awards 2020 in celebration of OCA Utah's 22nd year. This year has been a challenging year to say the least because of the unexpected passing of one of our co-founders, Judge Michael Wei Kwan. Engraved on a pen I received at his memorial said, "Ensure justice in all matter. Seize each day as an opportunity to lift up others. Lead the way. With gratitude, Honorable Michael." His hopes and dreams for OCA Utah were boundless, and we hope to fulfill those hopes and dreams by continuing his work and honoring his legacy through our service in the community, our partnerships, and our programs. This year, we faced the COVID-19 pandemic and the loss of so many loved ones, especially in our Pacific Islander community. We honor the memory of Margarita Satini, along with our other brothers and sisters we've lost to COVID-19. Rita's fierce and indomitable spirit will live on through our community work because, in her words, "The world you want requires you to be civically engaged." Wearing masks and social distancing became the norm, and we are spending graduations, birthdays, special occasions, and the holidays away from our loved ones to prevent the spread of COVID-19. As I entered the role of president for OCA Utah, I imagine continuing the great programs Emilio Manuel Camus, the immediate past president, and our other board of directors established last year, along with promoting and engaging all our community members to complete the 2020 census to make sure we were all counted, and encouraging our community to register and exercise our right to vote. Little did we know we would also include COVID-19 testing and education to be sure our community remained healthy. Through our collaboration with the Office of Health Disparities at the Utah Department of Health, we ensured that there were no barriers for our community when getting tested for COVID-19. I learned a great deal this year while serving as your OCA Utah President and Grant Coordinator for the COVID Community Partnership Project. OCA Utah wouldn't have been able to accomplish its goal of creating equality in our community and in the world around us without your help and continued support. Here is a list of the programs we were able to accomplish this year and other events we co-sponsored. The Asian Pacific Islander Day at the Capitol, the LGBTQ Asian Brunch and Meetup, the People of Color Mental Health Workshops, the Taal Volcano Disaster Relief Fundraiser, the Asian American Student Association High School Conference Workshop, the Pacific Islander Student Association High School Conference Workshop, Tackling Anti-Blackness in Asian Pacific Islander Communities Workshop, the Utah Division of Multicultural Affairs 2020 Multicultural Leadership Day, the Census 2020 Social Media Campaign and Tabling Events, the Voter Registration Drives and Get Out the Vote Social Media Campaigns and Tabling Events, the Salt Lake Tribune People of Color Community Press Conference, the Utah Food Bank Asian American Pacific Islander Food Drive, the COVID Community Partnership Project Social Media Campaign and Testing Events, the Asian Pacific Islander Education for Black Lives, the Westside Community Census Town Hall, Judge Michael Kwan Memorial Scholarship Fund, the COVID-19 Food Distribution Events, the Community Input on Salt Lake Police Department Task Force, the Pacific Islander Town Hall, a Winter Coat Drive, a Christmas Toy Distribution, and the OCA Utah Asian Pacific Islander Community Awards. I am truly grateful I had the opportunity to serve as your OCA Utah President this past year, and I look forward to our continued partnerships and wonderful work we will accomplish in 2021. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Many thanks to you all for your continued dedication and for supporting OCA Utah.